In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check in QuickBooks. This process can be a bit daunting if you're unfamiliar with the platform, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step, making it as straightforward and as simple as possible. First things first, you'll need to go to QuickBooks Online. Once you've signed in, you'll want to head over to the Settings menu, which is typically located in the upper right part of your dashboard. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, you'll want to select All Lists. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these lists, as they're quite handy for a range of tasks you'll encounter while using QuickBooks. Next, you need to click on Payment Methods. This action will take you to a screen where you can manage the various ways your business receives payments. This tool is particularly useful if you handle a variety of payment types. As you look through the payment methods, find the option for checks. It's crucial to ensure you're dealing with the correct payment method, especially when you need to make changes such as voiding a transaction. Once you've located the check option, go ahead and select it to proceed. With the checks displayed, it's time to run a report. Locate and click on the Run Report option. This action generates a report listing your checks, helping you confirm which checks need to be voided if you have multiple transactions to review. Once the report is ready, locate the specific check you wish to void by clicking on its date. By doing so, you'll open up all the details of that particular transaction. Give it a moment to fully load all the information. Once you have the check open, navigate to the bottom of the page, where you'll find the More option. Click on it, and this will extend a menu with further actions you can take on this transaction. From these new options, you'll want to click on Void. This action initiates the process of voiding the check, but there's an important step. You'll need to verify your decision. QuickBooks includes this verification step to ensure that no checks are voided accidentally. Finally, a confirmation window will appear on your screen. Simply click on Yes to finalize the voiding of the check. And just like that, your check is now voided within QuickBooks. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through QuickBooks to void a check. By following these steps, you can ensure that your records remain accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.